Everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I have a haul to show you. I'm going to show you real quick in case you just want the overview, and then I'll go into more detail later. I was in Utah at Country Craft Creations to help out with a retreat that just finished. I do have an unboxing of all the things you get and tell you a little bit more about Country Craft Creations retreats, but check out that video. Some of these items I've purchased, some are design team items. Um, I'm just going to throw it into one video and tell you everything I got. And invite you to go check out the Country Craft Creations website, or if you're in Utah, it's in the Salt Lake City area, go check out the store. I went on a little search and looked up scrapbook retreats, and you know what? There are not very many, especially none that are going to make mini albums, and none that are as inclusive with all of the materials and fun and sometimes food and parties. Uh, you can't find what's Country Craft Creations does. So anyhow, the first thing I picked up is my art glitter glue. It is glue from the Art Glitter Company. It has no glitter in it, just to let you know. But this will last me hopefully the rest of the year. I want to make sure I have it so when it gets cold, I don't have to worry about shipping it. It is what I use for my mini albums, my cards, all of my paper craft projects. So stock up on your Designer Dries Clear Adhesive from the Art Glitter Company while it's summertime or spring. Although, I'll tell you, it snowed here yesterday, but that's okay. They've got quite an assortment of gorgeous flowers. Now, sometimes I'll make my own, and I did get a new die to make them, but in the meantime, um, the company has gotten some really pretty flowers. These were from Little Birdie, and does it tell me a number? Vivid Palette, maybe? Fiona is the flowers. This will go with several different collections. The new Graphic 45, the Flutter collection. It'll go with the new teacup collection from Country Craft Creations, which I'll show you real quick, even though that's in another video as well. But beautiful flowers. So don't forget to stock up on those while you're getting your paper. I got to play with some of this modeling material from Prima. There's another video on that showing you the molds, but this is great stuff. I used Creative Paper Play with some of my other molds. This modeling material is the best. So yeah, so if you're in the store, if you need to make an order, get some of these. It's in two similar size 3.5-ounce jars, so it doesn't dry out. But I heard you can just put in a damp paper towel to help revitalize it if it's starting to get a little dry. It's good stuff. Try it out. While I was there, Doodlebug came in and set up a little pop-up shop, and these came from the pop-up shop. There are still Doodlebug things in the store, even though these items may not be available. Again, if you go to the Country Craft Creations website and put in Doodlebug, you can see all of the fabulous things that are available. There is lots. There is just different collections and enamel dots and the doilies and just a lot of the basics all the time, and then plus there's different collections available. So there is that. I did pick up, it's the Seaside Summer, so I got the sprinkles with that, and the this and that, oh, you can't see it, sticker sheet. So I look forward to doing some fun summer projects with that. I've done a project before as a design team project using the Great Outdoors by Doodlebug, but I wanted to do something else because you may know that I live and travel in my RV, and so I like making mini albums to show my lifestyle. I mean, just so much. So there is that. Okay, a couple other things I picked up. I've been loving this Winnie the Pooh, which matches very well with the Winnie collection from Country Craft Creations. So I wanted to make a cute little album out of that. So I picked that up. I've been on sort of a farm theme lately. I picked up the Willow Creek Highlands. If it's not in stock right now, it will be soon. So just sort of put it on your calendar to try in a week or two because I hear it's being restocked. So there is that. And they also made a My Colors cardstock colors to match really nicely with that Willow Creek Highlands collection. And then last but not least, wait, where's my, I know I bought some dies. They're somewhere. They're flower dies so I can make some flowers. If I don't show it right now, I'll show it in another video. But I already have some black in my stash, so I got some of the black Artisan cardstock in the 8.5 by 11. So this is the 87-pound weight. If you're not familiar with Artisan cardstock, it makes a great base for mini albums and beautiful cards and folios as well. So I got black, I got the 12 by 12 in red, I got the craft color, and I got the white. Oh, look, here is, I purchased this paper rose, these dies, because I wanted to make my own flowers with this. As soon as I do that, I'll post a video and show you how to make them. So that is what I have from my hauls from visiting Country Craft Creations. Again, countrycraftcreations.com, or visit them located in, there's my bill, West Haven, Utah. So check them out. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.